Syntaxial bends. Brahmaputra gorges to the east. Then next. The eastern syntaxial bends occur at Namcha Barve and the western syntaxial bend occurs at which place? Nanga Parvat. Okay. Now there is a word called dunes, है ना? Dehradun, Kotli Dun. How they are formed? Dunes are majorly formed in the Shivalik ranges. Okay. Suppose in the initial, during the formation of the earth, okay, listen how dunes are formed. Listen, during the initial formation of these mountain ranges, what was happening? Rivers were coming, right? And another landform was also forming, another type of range was forming, right? One range is forming, behind that another range is forming, right? Rivers were also coming. What happened? For some time period, this water gets collected at a region unless and until it finds an outlet. ठीक है? सम टाइम के लिए क्या होता है कि ऊपर से पानी आ रही है, कुछ समय के लिए एरिया में वो रुक जाती है, थम जाती है, जब तक कि उसको आउटलेट ना मिले. ठीक है? इट विल ऑक्यूपाई अ लार्जर स्पेस अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट फाइंड्स एन आउटलेट. फिर क्या फाइंड करेगा? इट विल फाइंड अ ब्रेक. व्हाट हैपेंस? द टेंडेंसी ऑफ द रिवर्स टू फाइंड अ प्लेस, है ना? देन इट विल फाइंड इट्स ओन पाथ एंड ब्रेक एंड फॉर्म लाइक अ रिवर. इट विल ड्रेन फर्दर, सो द रिवर कोर्स विल बी लाइक दिस. Ultimately, the river will take this course, and the reason the lake formed behind gets dried up. It has all the depositions and sand silt brought by the rivers. है ना? If rivers is coming, it will bring all the sediments, right? The sediments will get deposited for some time. It will be deposited at this region. When the river finds its path to move forward, when it will have huge tendency, huge energy, it will find its way. Then again, it will flow towards the northern plains. Then this place that is left vacant behind, earlier it was a collection of water here, then the water has flown, it has flown to the, like in the northern rivers, it has formed rivers and flown to the northern part from the top to bottom. ठीक है? ऊपर से क्या बहती हुई नीचे आ गई. अब ये एरिया क्या हो गया? हमारा दून बन जाता है. This becomes दून, like the Dehradun, है ना? This is formed because of this. Earlier it was a huge lake where river was coming and getting filling the waters. It was bringing all the sediments and depositions, clay, sand, silts. Now when the river found its way, मतलब ये valleys के बीच में, the river found its way to flow away. Then river found its path, एक single path निकल आया, and the area which had all the deposits, sand, sediments, conglomerates, they created a plain surface, plain region, है ना? This will happen in normal tendency also. If somewhere water is blocked for some time, it will create a plain surface, and if water will flow away from that region, it will create a land, proper land. The people will habitate there. Okay, so the Dehradun, this is the dune. In the west it is called dune, and in the eastern Himalayas it is called duars. Okay, these words can come sometimes. What are dunes and duars? Okay, getting what is this? Acha, you write formation of dune, right? Formation of dunes. हाँ, वैलीज इंपॉर्टेंट, वैलीज 4 है. ओके, जो रिमेम्बर करना है, जो मेजर वैलीज हैं. ओके, मेजर रीजन वाइज वो 4 है. ओके, छोटी मोटी. अब दून वैली में आप देखोगे, दून क्या उत्तराखंड में है, तो भागीरथी वैली, मंदाकिनी वैली, ऐसे करके जहाँ पे आपको वैलीज क्या होती है, दिस पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड वैली. तो छोटे लोकलाइज तो बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, मेजर ब्रॉडर आई हैव डिक्टेटेड यू ऑल. Now this, sometimes they can ask in question also how the dunes are formed. Okay, so you write down formation of dunes. Shivalik hills were formed by the accumulation of conglomerates. ये वर्ड याद रखना, accumulation of conglomerates, CONGLOMERATES. Conglomerates means, in bracket you can write sand, silt, stone, gravel, debris, etc. Sand, silt, stone, gravel, debris. Debris, you know the word debris means what? Huh? small spoons also residue, kachra or residue type material, okay, etc. In bracket, conglomerates, clear what are conglomerates? These conglomerates in the initial stages of deposition comma, obstructed the course of rivers, obstructed the courses of the rivers draining from the higher reaches of Himalayas and form temporary lakes. With passage of time, the conglomerates were well settled at the bottom. With the passage of time, the conglomerates were well settled at the bottom of the lakes. Next point, when the rivers were able to cut their courses through the lakes, comma, the lakes were drained away, leaving behind plains called dunes. It could be written as dunes also, you can call, or D-double-O. Somewhere they will write D-double-O, dunes or dunes in the west and dwars in the east. In example, you can write Dehradun, Kota, ठीक है, कोटा, चुम्बी, CHUMB. These are the examples of dune, okay, चुम्बी, ठीक है, चौखंबा, CHAUKHAMBA, Kotli is also there, Kotli dune. So these are few examples. In diagram, you should, in every question of geography, you should be able to draw simple or sweet any diagram also, okay? कोई ना कोई diagram जरूर होना चाहिए. Without diagram, no answer is correct in geography, okay? Always remember this. Any question, if it comes, you will draw either map or in diagram, any figure or flow chart. Getting? That's why I try to draw something or the other with respect to dunes also, okay? So you should be able to draw or show it in a way that it is expressed properly, okay? It helps in better presentation. अच्छा, करेवास, एक और वर्ड जो हिमालय से रिलेटेड है, करेवास. हैव यू हर्ड दिस करेवास? कहीं सुना है कभी भी किसी भी जगह करेवास? करेवास, कश्मीर से करेवा सुना है? कहवा, अच्छा, दैट इज कहवा. कहवा इज अ टी. Karevas are the regions where saffron is grown. Especially it is found in Kashmir region, okay? So it is geographical location also. How they are formed, right? Karevas, you write Karevas. Karevas are K-A-R-E. These are specific things, small things, but related to Himalayas only, okay? Dunes, Karevas, they can ask me in one question, okay? Karevas are lacustrine. Karevas are lacustrine. In bracket you can write deposits in lake. Karevas are lacustrine deposits in the valley of Kashmir एक और रीजन आप देख लो, एंड भदरवा, एंड भदरवा वैली, BHADARWAH, भदरवा वैली ऑफ जम्मू डिवीजन. They are specifically grown there. और कहीं have you ever heard that Kashmir is grown except that Kesar comes from Kashmir only, original and pure. None other place is found जहाँ पे ये उगे. So special type of this deposits are found on that reasons only. This saffron is grown. Okay, this valley यही valley पे ही उगते हैं वो. ठीक है. Right, next time these are the flat top mounds. These are the flat top mounds that border the Kashmir valley. Next point, they are characterized by fossils of mammals. They are characterized with fossils of mammals and at places by peat. Peat we studied ना, peat कहाँ पढ़ा था बताओ? peat coal में. ठीक है. So it is a very poor form of coal. Anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. So this is the poorest. Less than 40% of carbon is there. So peat. So characterized with the fossils of mammals and at places by peat. मतलब कहीं कहीं पे peat भी मिलता है. ठीक है. And mammals, fossilized mammals, how they would have come? Can you think? How they would have come? Karuna, what could be the reason? यहाँ पे fossilized mammals कैसे आ गए हिमालयस में? हाँ, that sea was there. That was marine. ठीक है. So it has fossils also, marine organisms also, and sediments also. Okay. So because of that, this special quality of mud and salt and landform is there. Okay. चलो, Himalayas, most of the things we have completed. अच्छा no, now glaciers are important. Glaciers of Himalayas, glaciers भी तो हैं. साथ में कश्मीर का मैप ओपन रखो. Okay, I am mentioning the name. First one, Siachen Glacier. Can you find Siachen Glacier where it is? Physical map. It's not given here. Okay, Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier. Getting? Siachen Glacier. It is the largest glacier outside the polar regions. Okay. Maximum glaciers are found in the North Pole, South Pole. Okay. So maximum glacier. It is the largest glacier you can call. ठीक है. Siachen Glacier. It is in Nubra Valley. If they will ask which valley, then remember Nubra Valley. Nubra. Nubra Valley. अच्छा, what is Pamir? We did in the geography, right? Pamir, Asian geography. What was Pamir? Pamir North था. Pamir North. There were ranges. 5 important ranges were joining. What were the ranges? Tell me. Suleiman, Kirthar, Hindukush, Karakoram, Kunlun Shah. That was the Pamir Knot. We studied like in Asia map. This was the Pamir Knot. Ranges were flowing from this. This was the central point Pamir. ठीक है. So on a second important glacier in this Trans-Himalayas region is Fedchenko. Second, first one I told Siachen. Second one, this one. Fedchenko. This is in Pamir. This is a glacier, name of a glacier. Yes. Fedchenko Glacier, it is near Pamir. Pamir Knot we have studied, right? Pamir ranges. Third one you write Hispar. Hispar glaciers. ठीक है? So 3 important glaciers we have in Himalayas. Next, in Pir Panjal range, there is one Himalaya called Sonapani. Sonapani in Sona Pani Glacier. They can ask in which range this is a Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal range. हिस्पार देखो कहाँ है, एक बार देखो लोकेशन, सर्च करो हिस्पार, सर्च so where it is हिस्पार, where it is located. In the Trans Himalayas, can you find them? Where they are? I don't have image. This network is where they are located. Oh, it is in Karakoram ranges. Okay, okay. देखो वहां पे मिले काराकोरम हिमाचल. Okay, so देखो मैप में शो कर रहा है ये चीज, ये नहीं. Can you find it in the map? Right in the Karakoram range. You write Gilgit-Baltistan Karakoram range. Okay, that is okay. ठीक है, these are the important. अच्छा, कुमाऊं में कौन से important glaciers है that you can remember? कुमाऊं और गढ़वाल region. Can you name any important that you can think of glacier? Any religiously very important now you can think of? They are also very important glaciers. Okay, Gangotri, from the river originates from there only. Okay, so that also you remember. So we have done valleys, peaks. Acha, look, let's look comparison peak. Let's do one comparison now. What is this image? ये क्या है? These are Himalayas. These are the Himalayas. ठीक है? Comparatively, what are the ranges? Let's once recall. This is Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga, Lhotse, ठीक है? Makalu, Lhotse we have did World Geography के टाइम में Lhotse दिखाया था. We did. Then Choyu, Tolagiri, Mansalu, Nanga Parvat, Annapurna, Gasherbrum, ठीक है? This is the Broad Peak. Gasherbrum 2, there are two Gasherbrum 1 and 2, you must have seen. Okay, then we have Shisha Pagma. उतना जरूरत नहीं, इतना बस मैं रिकम्पेरेटिवली दिखा रही हूँ. ये तो हमारे इंडिया नॉर्दर्न हिमालयस में है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव दिस, विच कॉन्टिनेंट? Aconcagua. Can you find Aconcagua where? South America. So its height is 6962. Next, North America. Which range we studied? Denali. So this is comparatively. You can see the comparison they have given. Okay, this is Mount Denali in North America. Then Kilimanjaro in Africa. It is the highest peak in the Africa. This is also a revision for important peaks in all the continents. Okay. Then we have Kilimanjaro. ठीक है. Then Elbrus in Europe. Vinson Massif we did. अंटार्कटिका में एक ही हमने किया था. We did one mountain peak only. That was Vinson Massif. Then this is Australia. यहाँ पे हमने दूसरा दिया था. M से नाम था. M there was K से नाम था. देखो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के मैप में देखो we did. This is also there. This is another name given. Puncak Jaya. This is a different name, but there is another mountain range also in Australia. हाँ, ये तो एक Kosciuszko. This तो भी डन. एक और नाम कौन सा दिखा रहे हैं, एक बार देखो. ये छोटे छोटे रेंजेस आई गेस. Kosciuszko. This तो we have marked. Okay. This is in the Great Dividing Range. हाँ, यही मार्क किया था बस. Okay. Number 1 this is only. So I don't know why this they have given. एरर हो सकता है. ओके, बट यू रिमेंबर दिस नेम. ओके, कॉजियस्को. ओके, इज द क्लियर? कैन यू नाउ फाइंड? अच्छा चलो सेकंड वाला भी देखो. सेकंड हमने कुछ कुछ के किए हैं. वी हैव डन फ्यू ऑफ सेकंड नंबर. K2 इंडिया में था, राइट? माउंट एवरेस्ट K2. देन वी हैड ओजिस डेल सेलाडो, ठीक है? लोगन इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका, माउंट केनिया इन अफ्रीका, ठीक है? This is the different name they have given in Europe. Okay, we did Elbrus. Okay, Elbrus and Minson forest, Elbrus mountains we did, ranges. Okay, Alps mountains. So they are very high. These are not required. Okay, these are not very famous. Height is also very less. Okay, chalo. Now we have done this Himalayan physiographic division. Which is the next physiographic division after Himalayas? What are all the divisions? Jatin, name all the what are the rest divisions of major divisions of India after Himalayas? What are they? What are the major divisions except Himalayas? What are the rest other divisions? I am asking Jatin. Okay, Jatin. His name is Jatin, right? So except Himalayas, how many major physiographic divisions in India?
Total 7.
Which happened? You tell me. He will tell na. Himalayas and second one what you told?
Himalayas.
Were you present yesterday in the class? Were you present? You were sitting in front only, है ना? Without revision, not allowed in my class. Okay, from tomorrow. Without revision, you won't be allowed again. Okay, so always remember you will have to do the revision, then only you enter class.
इंडिया फिजियोग्राफिक 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. सबसे पहले आपने हिमालयन एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न माउंटेन्स. जब इंडियन प्लेट ग्लेशियर प्लेट से टकराई थी तब उनकी फॉर्मेशन में इसलिए 24 माउंटेन्स दिखते हैं एंड जियोलॉजिकली काफी है. दूसरे नंबर पे आते हैं इंडिया के सबसे स्टेबल रीजन टेरिफर प्लेट. इसे ना बताएगा दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, सेंट्रल हाइलैंड्स एंड टेरिफर. तीसरे नंबर पे सबसे यंग ग्रेट वॉल प्लेट्स आते हैं.
स्पीच स्लो करती हूँ, इसका शायद स्पीच ज्यादा ही तेज लग रहा है इसका. सेटिंग समझ में आ रहा है? डिविजन्स के नाम ही तो बता रही हूँ मैं.
इंडस एंड काफी दूसरे नंबर पर आते हैं इंडिया के ग्रेट डेजर्ट, जहाँ पर आपको सैंडल सीखना है. इसके अलावा अरावली इसे वेस्टर्न साइड में कन्फाइन करते हैं. पांचवें नंबर पे आते हैं कोस्टल प्लेन, क्योंकि दो पार्ट्स.
Look here, Jatin. What are you looking? I'm showing this here video.
ईस्टर्न साइड. लास्ट में आते हैं आइलैंड्स, मेनली लक्षद्वीप एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार.
So can you tell how many divisions of India? What were the divisions now? Can you tell?
Himalayas, islands, peninsula,
And
coastal plains, great desert.
now can you tell what are the divisions, major divisions, physiographic?
Northern islands, peninsula, coastal plains, great desert.
Okay, chalo. At least this should be clear. What class we are doing, and what topic we are studying. Okay, then only you can study further.